Hello my friends and welcome to Hairstyle. We're helping you to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals. I'm Pallavi and in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this lazy girl hair buns. Let's get started with today's video. This hairstyle is perfect when you are not in a mood to do anything with your hair, you are getting late, or even if you're going for a messy look. So we're only gonna need an hair elastic, and first I'm gonna take all my hair up in a ponytail and take my hair through the hair elastic once. Then I'm gonna twist my hair elastic and hold my ponytail base like this, and I'm gonna wrap all my hair around the ponytail base like this, and I'm gonna take my hair elastic put it over my hair, and that's it. It looks super beautiful and feminine, and it's super quick to do. It takes within a minute to do this bun. So I like to do this bun high like this, but you can also do it at a medium height or even as a low bun. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye.